Hey guys, Ryan the Fan Guy here, and here we have a 50-inch Emerson Pro series. And yes, and as I know I mentioned in the last video, I got one of these in real life, so I'm going to demonstrate here in Roblox. So, here it is. Here's the light. Here's low. Voltage's kind of sounding rough, but yeah. All the other fans are off because I did spin down with them recently. Pretty soon I add some more. I think I might put the 1930s next to this one, and maybe I might put the clip. And once the Eclipse is created, I may move this next to the 1930s original, move it to another spot. But for right now, the Pro Series, this is going to be right here. That's about it for low. That's light. Here's medium. Light off. Here's high. Here's off. The light. Yeah, I'm so excited to test one of these hands soon. I honestly think the fob should be the opposite. Like the small fob should be the light fob, and the big fob should be the fan fob. That's how I'm gonna do it. I know some installs just have the small fob for the fan fob and the big fob for the light fob, but I'm gonna do the opposite, and I'm gonna use different clips for it because I don't want to permanently put them on. Anyways, thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, and subscribe.